dying? Okay, go fast. No, I know, you won't. You'll be alright. As long as you land on all fours. Do some donuts. Yeah. Do a speed run. As fast as you can go. Stop and turn around and do it as fast as you can go.